The 2025 Ford Bronco SUV is based on the same front-wheel drive, unibody C2 chassis as the Ford Escape crossover and Maverick pickup. The Ford Bronco was introduced alongside the 6th-generation Bronco body-on-frame SUV, which shared retro and off-road appearances but had a smaller footprint. Ford Bronco is a highly rated vehicle. The Ford Bronco's cabin features the same open-air conveniences that make the Jeep Wrangler a favorite among outdoor enthusiasts. Ford's interior features a few more improvements than Jeep's. The Bronco's dashboard features a top shelf that can be used to mount smartphones and GoPro cameras. It also includes frameless doors that can be easily removed. However, its big side windows could hinder air sealing and introduce more wind noise into the cabin. The exterior mirrors are positioned at the base of the windscreen and can also be used when the doors are removed. Rubber flooring and marine-grade vinyl upholstery are both options for protecting the cabin. Those seeking a more sumptuous setting can select for leather seating surfaces, but the interior's wide plastic strips seem cheap on higher models. Even with the two-door Bronco, the back seat can accommodate two persons comfortably. Only the four-door version includes a third middle seat in the back and much greater legroom, but the majority of its extra length is used for the cargo compartment, which is 50% larger than the two-door model. Ford's latest in-dash Sync 4 software drives a 12.0-inch touchscreen located in the center of the Bronco's instrument panel. The configuration supports over-the-air upgrades and can communicate wirelessly with the cloud and the user's smartphone. The infotainment system also supports a number of current features, including Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a subscription-based Wi-Fi hotspot. The unit can also be modified with useful features such as built-in navigation and a more powerful B&O stereo. The Ford Bronco Sport is powered by a basic 300 horsepower turbocharged 2.3-liter four-cylinder engine or an optional 330 horsepower twin-turbocharged 2.7-liter V6. A 10-speed automatic transmission works with both petrol engines, but a 7-speed manual transmission is only compatible with the smaller one. Unfortunately, neither engine produces an energetic soundtrack. Every Bronco has all-wheel drive and an independent front suspension that is more advanced than the Jeep's front bar axle. Other notable features include 35-inch mud-terrain tires, beadlock wheels, automatic locking front and rear differentials and a sway bar disconnect function. Both the two- and four-door Ford Bronco models have a towing capacity of 3,500 pounds, which is the same as the Jeep Wrangler. The four-cylinder Bronco with automatic gearbox is the most fuel-efficient vehicle, with 20 miles per gallon in the city and 22 miles per gallon on the highway. Upgrade to the V6 version with the Sasquatch package, which features aggressive, larger tires, and fuel economy decreases to 17 miles per gallon in both city and highway driving. We drove automatic-equipped Broncos on our 75 miles per hour fuel economy route with both engines. The four-cylinder engine gets 22 miles per gallon and the V6 gets 18 miles per gallon. The Bronco includes a variety of driver assist features, including as automated high lights and parking sensors. The 2025 Ford Bronco's key safety features include blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, automatic emergency braking, rear cross traffic alert, front collision warning, and lane departure.